So hi guys, got a BYD Shark and a couple of little extras that I've bought. Bought some of these welcome door lights. Bought them for like $25 from the internet, so the cheapest chips. This video is just to show you how to put them on. Okay, so let's get it installed. So when you're doing this, bring this a bit closer so you can see. We just need, as you can tell, we just need to take that thing off there. Should be pretty straightforward. Now this little thing, it's gonna go in this direction, so that end piece is going to be closest to the front of the vehicle. So why that's important is we need to know that we're pulling it out from the other side there. So stick it back there. Now this is probably the best tool to get this out. So you just want to shove it around the back of here and pull it out. There we go, finally came out. And then there's just a little wire that you pull out. That's pretty straightforward. Push your finger in between the little holder thing. Now I've scraped that up pretty bad, but I'm glad it's at the bottom of the car so you can't see it. They're as tight as anything. You can see I've ripped away that, trying to get that thing out. It's a nightmare. Absolute nightmare. I've scratched it to bits. So tricky, so hard to get these things out. So if you got to give it a bit of elbow grease, trying to pull that out. Expect it to be the case. But hey, got a brand new clean one to go in, so should be right. Click it back in. And as easy as that to put it in. Okay, so that's what it looks like afterwards. So there you have it guys, it's completely done. Now does it look a bit ridiculous? It's all right. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. You got to personalise your vehicle, haven't you? You got to add those little extras to your car to make it yours. So I think it's all right. Looks all right. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me comments. Let me know what you think it looks like. Is this an upgrade that you should bother doing, or should you completely leave it? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks, guys.